Zebra's Bogs. I'm here at the post office mailing her package. And it's a box full of candy. She's going to have to do 2 separate reviews on this candy I'm sending her. And 1 mystery meat. So stay tuned. And this ought to be fun. There's one on the way in the mail to myself. And I'm looking forward to doing this. So thank you, Zebra's Bogs. I'm not sure how to pronounce your first name, so sorry about that. So, all right, remember Zebra's Bogs. Check the description, and there'll be information in the description. Bye for now. Take care. God bless, and have a great day. So remember, easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal, and that's Zebra's Bogs. And look in the description. I'll have her link there. I'll have a couple links to a couple videos that she posted. And this taste test collab that I've been tagged in by her. Thank you very much, my friend. And it's coming from England, not England, from Ireland. And I'm looking forward to it. So thanks again there. So I look forward to hear from you. And I'm going to have to find out how to pronounce your name. Bye for now, and God bless. And have a great day, y'all. Stay tuned for this candy taste test, Ireland, United States. Or should I say USA. Bye for now. Bye.